Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Zunsport grills for the MK7.5 or the facelift Mk7 Fiesta. Now unlike the ST180 and the Mk7 pre-facelift, these aren't a straight swap. They actually fix onto the standard grills. So there are two ways of installing this, and I've installed it the first way, but I'm going to go through the second way with you in just a second. Right, so it's worth noting that the Zunsport grill fixes into the standard grill on this shape Fiesta in 3 points with screws and 3 points with clips, and this is just for the upper one. The lower one just clips in. So yeah, the screws are in both the corners and in the bottom, in the middle, and the clips are the two corners at the top and again one in the middle. So to fit it without having the standard grill behind it, you have to cut around the edge of the standard grill, making sure you keep the 2 points on the side and the 1 point in the middle. So yeah, cutting out the majority of the upper grill seems like quite a lot of effort, and unless you have an intercooler behind there to show off, I personally don't see the point. That's why I'm going to be fitting my Zunsport grills the first way, by literally putting them over top of the standard grills. So starting off this install, I'm going to be fitting the lower grill first. The lower grill just clips in, so the only thing you've got to make sure is that the clips are seated correctly so it doesn't fall off. Just slot it into place and then you can start pushing it on from one end to the other, just making sure each of the clips are clipped in. So once I've pretty much got it clipped in, I'm just going to go over the clips with a flathead screwdriver just to make sure that the clips are seated correctly, because I don't want it falling out. Now that that's done, I'm going to do the same thing with the upper grill, slot it into place, get the clips in position, and then I'm going to screw it in. Obviously screwing it in into the 3 positions where it needs to be screwed in. You get 3 small black screws provided with the upper grill. It's also worth noting you can buy the upper and lower grill separately, or you can buy them together. You can also buy them in silver instead of black. I'm going to start off these small black screws with the drill just to get them into position, get them into the grill, and then I'll finish tightening them off with a small screwdriver. The reason why I didn't finish them off with the drill is because it couldn't get through the mesh, so it was easier to finish them off with a small Phillips screwdriver. Working into the second, starting off with the drill, and then I'll go back over those two with a small screwdriver just to finish tightening them up. It's also worth noting, if you're interested in the gel badge that I have on the Zunsport grills, it is a custom red and black one from DMB Graphics. The standard one comes as black and white, but you can buy custom ones. Just give them the dimensions and they should be able to sort that out for you. So one other thing you want to think about doing is just making sure the clips are all clipped in and in position, seated correctly, just so you don't get any problems later on. Now finishing off with the last screw, starting off with the drill, finishing it off with the small Phillips screwdriver, making sure that it's in there tight. And there we go. Right, so that's the install. If it helped you, then please leave the video a like. If you do have any questions, then leave them in the comments below. Hopefully I can help you and get it sorted. If you want to see more installs of products and more stuff like this, then hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot. And yeah, also check out my other videos. There's lots of installs on my channel and there'll be more coming soon. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.